Abuju, nimigis magsagay with Chigabu, and go, oh, Hawasasi do them Masquawa Gamuzai guy getting in doji. Gets to go nimin way down Nagaskunan, you eh? Ah, ni we touch it down Gego. The mini with the Bachamon, and may ma Endazhi-Nitaawiging no mage, we can make Putsaki no ma wada up a new chagima. How ni we have to Chaganashimo into what winter moa, way. You got the Gizhaawiimin Project. Our solution addresses the erosion of indigenous language, culture, and traditional knowledge among Anishinaabe youth on the Red Lake Reservation. Due to centuries of colonizations, forced assimilation policies, and systematic educational inequities, Ojibwe language fluency has declined, with fewer than 1% of Red Lake citizens fluent in Ojibwe language without urgent intervention. The language and the cultural knowledge embedded within the risk is within its risk of extinction within a generation. The crisis is part of a broader global issue. UNESCO estimates that 50% of the world's languages will disappear by the year 2100, with indigenous language at the highest risk. Language loss is directly linked to educational disparities, cultural disconnection, and declining mental health within with health in indigenous youth, contributing to lower graduation rates, economic hardships, and intergenerational trauma. Our approach prioritizes indigenous sovereignty in education and food systems, reducing dependence on mainstream institutions. This model can be expanded to other Anishinaabe communities and adopted for indigenous nations, catalyzing broader efforts to revitalize indigenous languages, bridge educational gaps, and promote food security. Amigos, Mr. Thank you for listening.